What do you think about the most? What is in your mind? You can create what you think about. You can attract what you feel the most. Our thoughts are so powerful. Our thoughts can become our feelings too. Being happy is the way you are living. Your journey is happiness, not the destination. You can become the person you decide to be. Listen and understand your feelings. You should accept yourself. Accept the love you are getting from others and believe that you deserve it too. If you believe in your goal, that goal will be your reality. The exact definition of happiness is appreciating what you already have and build towards what you want more. Our world is our own unique way of thinking. Create what you believe you deserve. Creativity comes with simple, minimal steps. It is also normal to feel sad, upset, or even angry. Sometimes in life, these feelings appear, but you should also know only a great mind is through these feelings. Look where the stars are, which is looking up. Create your own environment. Your own environment can be the mirror of your mental attitude. Rule your life from within and don't let circumstances rule you. You need strength for tomorrow. That is why you're dealing with struggles today. Dream a new dream. Plant your future reality in your subconscious mind. Nourish it with repetition and your emotion. You are successful because you know where you are going. You're getting closer to your goals. Please subscribe to my channel and comment below this video one goal you're moving towards in 2019. See ya!